This section describes the stages and sheet design. In the Drill Studio, you are free to design your own sheet format, though, however, in order to design your own sheets from scratch, you need to understand how to manipulate D-lines, text, etc. You need to understand how to manipulate D-lines, text, etc. Therefore, we will first explain how to use the pre-designed formats. From the Edit menu, select Advanced Settings. Check the Use Preset Sheet Settings checkbox. A drop-down will then be enabled, allowing you to select a preset. Let's try selecting a stadium. You will see that the sheet design has been changed. Let's switch to the stage view. You can see that the design has been changed to the stadium. As you can see, the preset is a set of seat design and stage. In the state just after starting the Drill Studio, the preset is a seat design for a 30-meter field and a stage for an arena. If you just want to change the stage, you can do so from the View menu. The stage has been changed to a large stage as shown here. Then the stage is changed, but the seat design is not. The sheet design is not changed and does not match the size of the stage. You can create your own sheet design to match the stage, or you can use one of the presets already designed for you. Selecting a preset for large stage from the Advanced Setting menu. Now that the sheet design has been changed to match the stage, I would like to explain a little more about how to create your own original sheet. Now I would like to explain a little bit about how to create your own original sheet. Restart Drill Studio and change from View to Large Stage. In the Stage view, you can see that the grid and marker lines are out of stage. Let's start with the grid. Open the Advanced Settings. Currently, the grid is 30 m in height and 40 m in width. In order to match the size of the stage, set the height to 20 m. This value is in units of 10 centimeters, so let's change it to 200. The width of a step is the size of 1 square. This value is in increments of 1 centimeter. For example, let's say 50 centimeters and the number of steps on the point is 15. Let's change it back to 62.5 centimeters and set the number of steps to 4. Then a thick line is created for each 4 steps like this. You can change the color of the grid at will. Now let's check it in the stage display. Now let's modify the marker lines to match this grid. Select the D-line tool. The lines in the sheet design are created in the All Sheets mode, so click the All Sheets button. Then you can edit the marker lines. We will explain the process from this point on in detail in the lesson on the line tool, so please take a look at how it works, including the mouse movements in the lower right corner. D-line also allows you to edit an already created line. You can copy, duplicate, delete, and create a new line. The result looks like this. Next, change the paper size. Open Advanced Settings. Click on Set with Mouse. This white area is the paper. When you change the paper size, it will change like this. The size of the fields in Drill Studio are created on a fixed scale. You cannot change the size of the field, adjust the paper size to fit the entire field. The size of the field will be reduced to fit the paper when printed. If the aspect ratio is the same as that of the paper to be printed, any size will do. Note that if the aspect ratio is different, the circle will become an oval when printed. JIS standard sizes such as B5 and A4 have the same aspect ratio. You can start from any size and adjust the size accordingly. It is recommended to select the paper that is closest in size to the print size and fine-tune the size. The text is sticking out, but we will fix it later. In this case, we have set the fields to fill the entire sheet of paper. When you are satisfied with the settings, click Done. Now, let's fix the overflowing text. This will be explained in detail in the text tool lesson. The text is also used in the sheet design in the All Sheets mode. We've changed it to look like this. Since this line is drawn with the D-line, modify it with the D-line tool. I would like to have a field to enter annotations, but this will be created later in single sheet mode. We will not add it this time. Finally, we will move the logo. This is inserted as an image, so we will edit it with the image tool. This is also in All Sheets mode. Now we have a new sheet design. But when we switch to stage mode, the marker lines are still the same as before. There are two types of D-lines, one for the stage and the other for the sheet. The one created in Stage View will be the line for the stage. Delete the green line once. Switch to Sheet mode. Copy the new marker line you created. Go back to Stage mode and paste. Delete unnecessary lines. Change the line color to white. Now you have a new design for both the stage and the sheet. The new design created in this way is you can save the new design as a DSET file by clicking on Save Settings File in the Advanced Settings menu. You can save formats that you use frequently. You can also load them at any time by clicking Load Settings File. That concludes this lesson. Thank you for watching.